Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in a 2006 Ford Explorer. This has a 4.0 motor in it, and I'll show you what to do. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So to change the air filter in this truck, it's pretty easy to do. You don't need to take this ductwork apart. There's two clips right here. There's one here and one over here. You can kind of click those up. And then you slide the housing cover up and out. There's a couple three little tabs right here that slide into the housing right here when you put it back together. Just take out the old air filter. You can see that it looks disgusting. So I have a brand new air filter, and what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video to the new air filters that I have in my Amazon store. Let's put the new air filter back in. Make sure you slide these tabs back into the back of the housing so it clicks into place. Just like that. And then take the two tabs or clasps in front of the air filter housing, make sure that they're locked down. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.